Hey, what's up, y'all? Dominoes 7 here. Get ready to watch Jeopardy, okay? Comes on at 6 o'clock out here in New Orleans on WVUE Fox 8, okay? Yes, indeed, though. You know, I missed a few seasons of Jeopardy myself because I was watching cartoons and stuff like that. Should have been paying attention to game shows in my life, you know? Okay. So anyway, today, Allen Harrison going for his third win, okay? He won Friday, his second win, okay? So, let me see. Yeah, I'm right. Allen Harrison going for his third win, all right? My word of advice to him is don't blow it, bruh. Don't blow it, okay? I hope you don't blow it like Lee Quinn did, okay? After he defeated Gilbert Collins, you know. After he defeated Gilbert Collins, got defeated by Rachel Lindgren. Okay? So, my advice to Allen, don't blow it, bro. Don't blow it. Okay? Yeah, I was encouraging Buzzy Cohen with that too, you know? Yeah, I sure was encouraging him. But guess what? He almost lost when he went for his second win. He almost lost when he was going for his third win. Got the Final Jeopardy wrong. Still won. He almost lost his going for his fourth win. You know, because Ben Rothenberg, he was ahead of Buzzy. You know, well, very lucky on that one. Okay, made it 5 days in a row. Buzzy Cohen did. Okay, and won the Tournament of Champions 2017. Okay. All right, Jeopardy, get ready to start, okay? Allen, I'm rooting for you to win, okay? After you defeated Rob, okay? So, Rob Warman, I'm not sure if I pronounced his name right or what. So, my advice to Allen Harrison, don't blow it, bro. Please don't blow it, okay? Is get ready to start, okay? All right, talk to y'all after the show.